Hello and welcome back to the Art by Kaustav channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do color blooming effect with watercolor. But before starting, if you are new in this channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get my video update in correct time. So let's start. In the beginning, we will spread some water on the paper and little water on the color because my colors are very dry. After spreading with the brush, I let the water fully spread over the paper. Our paper should be fully wet with water, okay? Then I take first Gamboge yellow and let the color spread with water on my paper. And with the tissue, I have to clean my brush and then take the lemon yellow and let it spread the same way. This way we have to change the colors. We can give yellow, then purple, then red, then blue, but don't use any contrast color together, otherwise you will get some muddy color. So be careful when you're choosing the next color. Always try to make a fresh look so that it's looking more vibrant and colorful. So after yellow I add some purple, then little crimson lake, and now I am adding little blue. Here I am using, now it's time to create blue and aqua blue. Take little water in your brush and sprinkle over the color so that you can get some little small white dots over the color. See, the parts which I giving the water, those parts are becoming little white spots, and instead of water we can add some colors also, like I am giving crimson lake and little yellow to get those blooming effects. It's very easy and very fun to do. After that, with the back side of the brush we can create some grass effects and let it dry for the next layer. Now our picture is fully dry. Now by taking a outlining brush, I am creating some blooming flowers with different colors. I started with some red, then I will add some blue flowers and purple and again red. So this way you can create different kind of flower designs over your picture. You can use any color. The more different colors you will give, it will look more better. Then I add some stems of flowers with green color. So our picture is almost ready. After adding this flower, I will add some color splits with the big brush like red, blue or something. And our picture is ready. I hope you enjoy the video and try this picture at home and let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video.